Hey guys, how are ya? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Monroy. If you are new here, bienvenidos. And today I want to show you guys how I achieved this look. This look was inspired by James Charles, which is a fantastic makeup artist who creates amazing and very dramatic shadows, very dramatic looks, and I am loving. Today I wanted to create something similar but my way. So yeah, this is what I came up with. I am super excited to show you guys how I created this look. If you guys are excited and ready, I invite you to keep on watching. So you guys know priming is such an important part of my makeup routine, and today I'm going to be using this Insta Flawless Primer by Rimmel. And I like this primer because first of all, it's very affordable. It's a drugstore product, which I think anyone can have one of these at home, and also it does a great job in giving me a smooth and very even surface for my foundation. I'm gonna be working that product onto my skin, making sure I have a very even and smooth surface, and this will give me a perfect base to work with when I apply my foundation. I'm gonna be working with this foundation today. It's a cream foundation from Elizabeth Arden. This is in the shade Vanilla Shell, and once I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that directly onto my skin. And using my damp beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. For my concealer today, I decided to use the 16-hour Camo Concealer, and this is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is in the shade Nude, and I am just gonna apply that under my eyes. And to highlight, you guys already know my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the shade Light Sand. I need to find another concealer that is gonna satisfy me the same way this Tarte concealer has been satisfying me for a long time. I decided to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a contour cream kit using the same brush that I applied my foundation, and I'm gonna be dipping it into this shade right here, and that shade is called Havana. So now we're gonna be moving on to the eyeshadow. And because this is a dramatic look, I'm gonna be using that concealer all the way to the outer corner of my eye, going upwards. To start off with my eyes, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Studio. It's a cream eyeliner in the shade Brown, and I'm gonna be using that to trace a line on the outer corner of my eye. For today's eyeshadow, I decided to use this Morphe palette. This is in number 35B. This eyeshadow palette is very similar to the James Charles palette, but it's just a little bit more affordable. So I am gonna go in dipping into this dark purple right here. For some reason it looks like a blue, but it is a dark purple. And before it goes on my eye, I'm gonna remove any excess, and I'm just gonna start blending that with that brown shadow. Using a Morphe M456 brush, I'm gonna be dipping it now into this shade right here, which is kind of a royal blue shade. And then I'm gonna just go over that purple shade almost on the middle area of my eyelid, and I'm just gonna blend that blue now. And now for the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna go in with this very, very light pink. It's almost like a neon pink. So right here. Now for the very inner corner of my eye, I decided to use this yellow right here. And finally, I'm gonna be using a Morphe M433 brush and dipping it into that shade right here, which is very, very orangey shade right here. And I'm gonna use that color to blend all the shades together. And just very gentle, go over those areas to blend them together. So I will be using the Morphe M422 brush, and I'm gonna be using the Creaseless concealer to cut my crease. And I'm gonna start by cutting it on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm gonna go back to the same shades I use on the upper area of my eye crease. It's starting with the dark purple. And I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow brush. This is by Sephora. And it looks just like that. It doesn't have a number, but I'm gonna be dipping that into the white shade, which is right on this lower left corner. So before I apply my falsies, I am gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Now before I go with my eyelashes, this time for real, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line. I'm gonna add that pink and try to blend them together. I'm gonna go in now and use these falsies. Now these ones I got from Amazon. I will link them down in the description box. And now I'm gonna be using this Morphe M536 brush and dipping it into this contour palette by Sephora. I am gonna be dipping it into this shade right here, which is a banana powder. Using a Morphe M510, which is this one right here. I'm gonna be dipping it into this middle shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour. Now I am gonna go in and spray some setting spray. Before I highlight, I'm gonna go in with this MAC blush, and this is in the shade Cheeky Beat. So yeah, today this is the final look. I am super excited how it turned out. I hope you guys liked it as well. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so you guys know and are aware when I upload a new video. And that is it. So thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Ciao, ciao.